Let the number now it says if you subtract a half, that means from x you are going to subtract half and multiply the result. So result is this x minus half. We multiply it by half. Yes, and you get 1 by 8. Simply we can use distributive law of multiplication. This half will be multiplied with x. So this implies half of x minus half multiplied with half. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will become 1 by 4. So is equal to 1 by 8. Okay. This means 1 by 2 of x is going to be equal to this 1 by 4 is transposed to right, and this will become positive 1 by 8 as it is, and this 1 by 4 is now positive 1 by 4. Now this means our half x 1 by 2x is equal to, we can take LCM of 8 and 4, which is 8, and then this will be 1 plus 2, right? Because this is 2 by 8. 1 by 4 is same as 2 by 8. So 1 plus 2 means 3 by 8. So what do we get is, we get half of x is equal to 3 by 8. This means x is equal to 3 by 8, and we should divide. Here 1 by 2 is multiplied. So if we take into right, it should be divided by 1 by 2. It is same as 3 by 8 multiplied by the reciprocal of 2 by 1. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. This is 6 by 8, and 6 by 8 can also be written as 3 by 4. So your answer is 3 by 4. That means the number should be 3 by 4. Let us check our answer. If the number is 3 by 4, it said if you subtract 1 by 2 from this, so you subtract 1 by 2 and multiply the result by half. Let's see what you get. And this is verification of your answer. So this would be 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 should be 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 can be written as 2 by 4. Yes. And multiplied half. That means it is 3 by 2 minus 2 by 4 is 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4 and multiplied by 1 by 2. Yes, you are getting 1 by 8. Means your answer is verified also. Okay. Now let's take the second one. It says the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool. First of all, draw this rectangular swimming pool. Yes. Its perimeter is 154 and its length is 2 meter more than twice the breadth. So it is if it's 2 more than twice the breadth, can you take breadth to be x? This is the breadth, let this be x. And how do you write 2 more than twice? Twice means 2x, and 2 more 2x plus 2. Yes, so you got the length, you got breadth. Now you already know what is perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of the boundaries of the figure. So length, 2 times length and 2 times width. So you can say 2 times length plus width is equal to perimeter. Yes. We'll simply substitute the value of length, which is 2x plus 2, also width, which is x, and this is going to be equal to 154. So this means, this implies we can add the like terms. The 2 times 2x plus x is going to be 3x plus 2 is equal to 154. Multiply 2 times 3x is 6x, 2 times 2 is 4. is equal to 154. Yes, this means we get 6x is equal to 154 minus 4. That is, let's do it here. So we get 6x is equal to 150, 154 minus 4. So x is going to be 150 divided by 6. Divide by 6 both sides. So it's going to be 6 2 is 12, 6 5 is 30, 25. That means our width, which is x. So x should be 25. X 25. That means our length, which is 2x plus 2, should be 2 into 25 plus 2. 2 into 25 is 50 plus 2, and 50 plus 2 is 52. So we are talking about meter here. So you can say that length should be 52 meter and width is, let's write it here. So we can say, therefore, length is equal to x, 2x, right? 2x plus 2, that is 52 meter. And breadth is going to be x, that is 25. Since we are talking about meters, so it is 25 meter. You can verify your answer also if you add 25, 25, 52, 52. What do you get? You get 154. So even the answer can be verified in these questions, right? So, all right, now we will take the next one. It says base of isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. First, draw isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Two sides of the triangle are equal, something like this, okay? And when we are saying two sides are equal, means let's say this side is equal to this side. Base of the isosceles triangle is 4 by 3. So this is going to be 4 by 3. Perimeter is 2 4 by 15. What is the length of either of remaining side? So either of remaining side is, let's write, this drawing diagram is very important, right? Whenever in mathematics you get chance to draw the diagram, go ahead, draw it without hesitation. So we get this triangle and everything is very, very clear here. Two equal sides, x, and base 4 by 3. So perimeter means if we name this triangle, say A, B, C. So perimeter is the sum of three sides. Yes, that means you can say AB plus BC plus CA is going to be, they have given 2 4 by 15. 2 4 by 15. This number 2 4 by 15. 15 to the 30 plus 4. 34 by 15 we can write. Yes. Value of AB is x. This implies x. BC is 4 by 3. And the CA is also x. Is going to be 15 to the 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. 34 by 15. Yes. X plus x is 2x, 1 mango and 1 mango, 2 mango. Yes. Plus 4 by 3 is 34 by 15. Since we want to find the value of x, so we would like to keep x on one side of equality and transpose the number to the other side. Yes, so we get 34 by 15 minus 4 by 3. All right. That means we are getting 2x is equal to 15 and 3. Look, 4 by 3 can be written multiply by 5 up and down. This is same as 20 by 15. You understand that? So that means if we take LCM 15, we can write 34 as it is. And this number was 20 by 15, so we can write 20. And let's create some space here. So we are getting 2x is equal to 34 minus 20 should be 14 divided by 15. And x is 14 divided by 15. Since 2 is multiplied on the left hand side, if it is taken to the right hand side, it will be divided by half. And we know that division by half is same as multiplying by reciprocal of half. So we write it like this. X is 28 by 15. Yes, which is 28 divided by 15. And 28 by 15 can be written as x is equal to 15 1 ja 15, and then 5 and 8 13. 15 13 by 15. And this is, we're talking about centimeter, so centimeter. That means the length of either of remaining side. Finally, you can conclude your answer. The length of either of remaining equal sides is equal to 113 by 15 centimeter. Okay. So we will take the next sum now. It says the sum of two numbers is 95. One exceeds the other by 15. Find the number. Exceeds means by 15. That we can just assume if one of the number is 5, another number is exceed by 15 means 20, and their sum in this case is 25. Yes, if we just by hit and trial, like one of the number is say 20, another exceeds by 15, 20 plus 15 should be 35, their sum is 55. Likewise, we can just play with numbers and see when do we get number 95. But that is little bit lengthy task. So what we do is we use algebra, right? So find the numbers. We would write let numbers be x and x plus 15. Yes, so one exceeds other, so these are the two numbers, and the condition is their sum, the first number plus second number, x plus 15 is going to be 95. Yes, x and x are like terms, we can add them, 2x. We would like to take this 15 to the right hand side, so it can be written as 95 minus 15, and 95 minus 15 is 80. That means 2x is equal to 80. If 2x is 80, x is going to be 80 divided by 2. Yes, and 80 divided by 2 is 40. So x is equal to, once you get x is equal to 40, and it's you can easily say one of the number is x, which is 40. The other number, which is x plus 15, is going to be 40 plus 15. 40 plus 15, that is 55. Now see, if you add 55 and 40, their sum is 95, means your answer is correct. So you can actually verify your answers in these linear questions. Here, in this case, the two numbers are 40 and 55. Now, in this one, two numbers are in ratio 5:3. First of all, we'll understand what does it mean, 5:3. That means if first number is 5, the other number is going to be 3. And now this number will be in this ratio only, right? So we can have number like 10 and 6 also, right? We can have number We multiply this 5 by 3. 5 3 is 15, 9. I can also multiply this by 10. So I can have number 50 and 30, right? But they're saying they differ by 18. So their difference should be 18. In this case, you see difference is 2. In this case, difference is 4. In this case, difference is 6. In this case, difference is 20. You can actually figure out if this case difference is more than this. What if I take slightly less than this? It was 50 and 30. If I take instead 5 9 ja 45 and 3 9 ja 27. What do we get? 15 minus 7 is 8 and 1. So you got your answer. See, you actually found it by hit and trial. But since we are doing algebra, we would like to do this question by, so you already know your answer is 45 and 27. Yes, these numbers are in ratio 5:3 and their difference is 18. But how would we do using algebra? Since the numbers are given in ratio 5:3, so we'll say let the numbers be. Let the numbers be 5x and 3x. You like this method because this will take less effort, and you will, especially when the numbers are very large or complicated. So this method is always good. Their difference is 18. So you say how easily you are getting this. You can see here 5x minus 3x is going to be 18. That means 5x minus 3x is 2x. Yeah, that's 2x. This implies 2x is equal to 18. If 2x is 18, x is 9. Precisely, you come to the answer now. Your numbers were 3x means 3 into 9, that is 27. And your 5x would be 5 into 9, 45. So you can say your numbers are 45 and 27. And you can verify your answer when you subtract 45 and 27. Obviously, you are getting 18. So well done. The next one is 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. What are the integers? Look, the consecutive integers means one coming after. If the first one is x, the second one would be x plus 1, and the next would be x plus 2. That's what consecutive, one coming after another. Like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, anything, 21, 22, 23, like that. They should be consecutive. So we took x plus 1, x plus 2, and they say its sum is 51. What does this mean? Like, we can add the like terms. X plus x is going 3x, and 3x 1 and 2. 3x plus 3 is 51. Can we keep these variable one side? We have just one variable x, and 51 minus 3. This 3 will be taken to right. 51 minus 3. That means 3x is equal to 48. So dividing both sides by 3, this implies, right? This sign is called, this implies x is going to be 48 divided by 3, 16. So if your x is 16, therefore the numbers are, in place of x, we can write 16 only. In place of x plus 1, that is 17. And x plus 2 is 18. So they are 3 consecutive integers. And if you see their sum, now 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 7, 21, 2 and 5, 51. Yes, the sum is also 51. That means your question is done and verified also, right? So you can say the 3 consecutive integers are 16, 17 and 18. Next, we will take this sum. It says the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8. How do we write consecutive multiples of 8? Now, the sum is 888. So there should be a little big number, no? 3 consecutive multiples. As we understand that the consecutive multiple will differ by 8. Yes, like Just for example, one of the multiple of 8 is 16, right? If I'm talking about the consecutive multiple, means next should be 8 to the 16, 8 3 is 24, and 8 4 is, right? 8 4 is 32. So 8 times 2, 8 times 3, 8 times 4. So these are three consecutive integers. But their sum is not going to be 881, right? And neither we are doing it by hit and trial method. We would like to do it by algebraic method. Then how would you write? You must start with let uh, three consecutive. Let three consecutive multiple of 8 be consecutive multiple. First one is x. Next should be 8 more than x, x plus 8. And then the next one should be 8 more, that is x plus 16. And now this question is very, very easy. You can simply write x plus 8 plus x plus 16 is going to be 8, 8, 8. That means 3x, x and x, 8 and 16 is 24 is equal to triple 8. This means we are getting 3x is equal to triple 8 minus 24. And what is triple 8 minus 24? This is 468, 864. And this means your x is going to be 864 divided by 3. 3 2 just 6, 26, 3 8 is 24, 3 8 is 24. So the x is 288. Now we can write our answer. Therefore, x is 288 and your x plus 8 means 288 plus 8 should be 296, and then x plus 16, 8, and now you can actually add it, x plus 16, 288 and 16, yes, 8 6 14, 1, this is 0 and this is 3, 304. You can verify your answer if you add these three. They are obviously consecutive multiples, because then the next number which is divisible by 8 after 288 is 296. The next one is 2, 3, or 4. We just keep adding 8 in the given number. And their sum, let's check it. It is going to be 8 and 9, 9, 18, again 1, and 6 and 2, 8, 888. So the answer is verified also. That means the required numbers are 288, 296, and 304. Yes. Hope you are enjoying it. We are taking a few more questions, then we are done for the day. Three consecutive integers are such that they are taken in increasing order and multiplied with 2, 3, 4. They add up to 74. Find the number. So we need to understand the process. I mean, we need to process the information correctly first. It said three consecutive integers. They are talking about three consecutive integers. Yes, find these numbers. Let the numbers be, let the numbers we are talking about, numbers be, since they are consecutive, so the first one is x, the next one is going to be x plus 1, and the next one is going to be x plus 2. So these are three consecutive numbers. Yes, and they are taken in order and increasing order and multiplied by 2 3, means you are multiplying the first number by 2 and the second number by 3, and the last number, which is 4, you are multiplying the last number, which is x plus 2, by 4, and you are getting 74. Now it's a very simple linear equation, can be solved. This means we write this sign. This means this implies. So 2x plus 3 times x plus 3 plus 4 into x is 4 times x plus 8 is going to be 74. This means 2x, 3x, and 4x. There are three like terms, no? 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So it is going to be 9x. We add like terms. And 3 plus 8 is 11. So you get 11 is equal to 74. Now we would like to find value of x. So 9x is equal to 74 minus 11. 74 minus 11 is going to be 63. So 9x is equal to 63. Once you get 9x is 63, that means x is equal to 63 divided by 9. 63 divided by 9 should be 7. That means x is 7. So, well, the numbers were x, which is 7. The next one we said x plus 1, which is equal to 7 plus 1, that is 8. And the third number was x plus 2, that is, let's write it clearly. The third one is x plus 2. So that is 7 plus 2 is 9. So that means the answer is the required numbers are 7, 8, and 9. Yes, their answer is 7, 8, and 9. We would like to verify our answer. So if you multiply this 7, 8, and 9 by 7 multiplied by 2, 8 multiplied by 3, and 9 multiplied by 4. That's what the question says, Let's see what we get. 7, 2, 14, 8, 3, 24, and 9, 4, 36. Add these numbers. See, 14 and 36 will give you 50. 50 plus 24 will give you 74. So you are done. I mean, this question is verified also. The answer is verified, and your answer is right. Yes, nice. The ages of Rahul and Haroon are in ratio 5:7. Obviously, you can take, whenever they are in ratio, you can take 5x and 7x, isn't it? So Rahul is, in this case, Rahul is 5x, or age of Rahul is 5x, and Haroon is going to be 7x. Since they are talking about years, so obviously this will be years, and this is also years. Okay. Now, 4 year later. So if you talk about 4 year later, what will happen? 4 year later. Rahul, who is 5x year old, so Rahul is going to be 5x plus 4. Whatever is we are the present age, right? These are the present age we are taking. Present age of Rahul and present of Haroon is 7, 4x, 5x, and 7x. So 4 year later, this is going to be 5x plus 4, and Haroon is going to be 7x plus 4. Whatever is the present age, we are adding 4 years. Okay, and then saying 4 year later, the sum of their ages will be 56. So I think we get this equation. The sum of their ages, which is 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4, is going to be 56. Let's add it. 5 plus 7 is 12x plus 4 plus 4 is going to be 8 is equal to 56. So this means 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. 56 minus 8 should be Okay, 12x is equal to 48. That will give you x. Let's get x from there. X is equal to 48 divided by 12. And 48 divided by 12 is 4. Now they're asking what are the present ages. So that means present age of Rahul. That is going to be 5x. So 5 into 4, 5x, that is 5 into 4, 20 years. Yes, you put x is equal to 4. And also present age of Haroon. That is 7x. Yes, it is 7x. And 7x means 7 times 4. And 7 times 4 is 28. 28 years. All right. So we are done. We got their age is 20 and 28. If you see 20 and 28, they are of course 5:7 ratio because 5 4 is 20, 5 7 is so 4, sorry. What we saying is the ratio 20 is to 28 is same as 20 is to 28 is same as 4 5 is 20 and 4 7 is 5:7. So that's correct. First condition satisfied. And the second condition says 4 year later. So 4 year later, the first person who is Rahul is going to be 24. And the second person 4 year later is going to be 32 plus 24 is, sorry, 28 plus 4 is 32. So add these two is 24 plus 32 will give you 56. Second condition also satisfied. You just verified your answer. Yes, the answer of question number 9 is also verified. The number of boys and girls in a class are 7:5. So can you say like, okay, boys is to girls. You're saying 7:5. That means if boys are 7x by 5x, we can say like that, you know. So if boys are 7x, girls are 5x. The number of boys is 8 more than girls. How do we write? Number of boys means 7x and minus number of girls will be 5x. And that say, they say 8 more. This is 8. Now this is very simple equation. 7x minus 5x is 2x. 2x is equal to 8. This is giving you x is equal to 8 by 2. That is 4. If x is 4, you can say therefore number of boys, which is 7x. That means 7 into 4, that is 28. And also number of girls. Number of girls is 5x and 5 into 4, 20. Now you see the difference, 28 minus 20 is 8. So satisfied. That means the question is right. We will take one last question, and this is about Baichung's father. Okay, this is a little bit interesting. It said Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of ages of the three is 135 years. What is the age of each of them? Can we assume any one of these person, like the granddad, dad, and Baichung, age bx, and then relate every other person's age with that, right? For instance, here you see we can say let Baichung's age be x. Let Baichung's age be x. They're talking about years, so years. I think it's easy to find Baichung's father is 26 years younger than grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. So father's age, right? So, okay, father says. Obviously, we are talking about Baichung's father. So Baichung's father says, right? So father's age would be, it says 29 years older. You can easily find x plus 29 years, no problem in this. To find Baichung's grandfather, okay, grandfather age. The grandfather's age is because grandfather is 26 year. Exactly, his father is 26 years younger than grandfather. Does it mean that grandfather is 26 years older than father? Of course. If father is 26 years younger than grandfather, then the grandfather is 26 years older than father. Obvious? So whatever is the age of father, we are going to add 26 in this. That gives us age of grandfather. All right. This means the grandfather is actually x plus this is 5 and 55. Okay, is this 55 or 30? 61. Just one moment. 29 plus 26 should be 15 and 55. Yeah, that's correct. X plus 55 years. Now, last condition. Sum of the ages of all three is 135. That means you are adding them x plus the father. This is Baichung. This is father, x plus 29. And we have grandpa also. Grandpa is x plus 55. Now this should be 135 as per the question. Yes. Add like terms. This means x plus x plus x is 3x plus 29 and 55 will be 84 is equal to 135. Yes. Should we take 84 to the other side? This implies 3x is equal to 135 minus 84. And 135 minus 84 should be 113 minus 8 is 5. 13 minus 8 is 5, 51. So we're getting 3x is equal to 51, which means x is equal to 51 by 3. X is equal to 51 divided by 3, which is 17. If x is 17, x was age of Baichung. So that means Baichung is 17-year old. Then his father, which was x plus 29, is equal to 17 plus 29. That is 30. You can simply add 1 first. This will become 30 and then add 16. 30 plus 16 is 46. So father is 46. And finally, the grandfather, which was x plus 55. That means 17 plus 55. 17 plus 55 is going to be 72. Yes, 5 and 3, 12, 6 and 72. So this is the age of these three person. First one is Baichung. Baichung is 17-year old. His father is 46-year old. Okay, we can write finally the answer. And the grandfather is 72-year old. Okay, and we can verify our answer also. 72, 46 and 17. 8 and 5, 15. 1 carried. Now 11, 12, 13. 135. So